Today I will show you 3 super easy methods to remove these AI watermarks. For each method I will show you the steps needed, the time it took, and of course the end result. Keep watching till the end to learn which tool you can use best. Quick heads up before we continue, while we are removing the visible watermark today, keep in mind that Google Gemini often uses SynthID, an invisible digital watermark embedded in the pixels. Always make sure you're using these techniques responsibly and in compliance with Google's terms of service. For the test, I'm using this image I created with Google Gemini. I choose this one on purpose because the lower right corner has quite a lot of detail, which makes it a better test. The first tool that I test today is AI Sparkle Remover. This online tool has one purpose, and that's removing this AI sparkle. It's just a matter of dropping your image here, downloading your new image, and boom, the watermark is gone. And the result is stunning. Like the watermark was never there. The second tool is Watermark Remover. I reviewed this tool earlier in one of my other videos. Let's try our test image with this tool. Here you just drag and drop it. But because this tool is not specifically designed for removing the AI sparkle, you see that it needs much more processing time when you compare it to the first tool we tested today. And there it is. Now, when we zoom in, you see that the result is also very good. This took a bit more time, but I would say the result is just as good. The third tool that I want to show you today is a tool that you probably have on your computer, and that tool is Windows Photo. Not everyone knows this, but it's quite easy to erase certain objects with it. Let's click on the Edit button here. Next is selecting this AI Erase button. Let's increase the brush size a bit to be able to capture the entire watermark in the lower right corner. Now gently brush over the watermark and it's gone, more or less. When you zoom in, you can still notice that something has been adjusted. It's not that visible, and for most use cases, it's probably good enough. Now, when we compare the end results, you see that both AI Sparkle Remover and the second tool, Watermark Remover IO, did a perfect job. The watermarks are completely gone, and you couldn't tell there was one initially. The results with Windows Photo Editor was okay, but not as perfect. When we look at the processing times, we see a clear winner here. AI Sparkle Remover gave us a perfect result in only 8 seconds. And the best thing is, you can use this tool totally for free, and it works for 100% inside your browser. So that means client side. Your photos are never uploaded to any server. So if you're looking for a tool that is specifically designed for removing this AI watermark from Gemini, this tool is the way to go. If you want to remove all kinds of watermarks, Watermark Remover IO is a good alternative. You can process about 2 images per day for free. If you want to remove more, the platform uses a credit system. And finally, if you want to work with something that is already installed on your local Windows computer, the end result doesn't need to be perfect. The Windows Photo Editor could work as well. I hope this helps you. Send this to someone who always struggles with these sparkle watermarks. And please like this video and consider subscribing my channel.